What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at some oil from a company called the Groomed Goon. Alright? So stay tuned. Alright guys, so welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm the Bearded Outdoorsman, and as you saw from the intro, I do beard product reviews, some gear reviews, and some hiking stuff. So today we're going to talk about a company called the Groomed Goon. Alright, they are out of Southern California, started, founded, and owned by a lady named Lauren. And directly from her, what she told me was that they started in May of 2015 after being unsatisfied with the quality of what was on the market as it relates to beard products. And they tried several brands, just were not happy with stained shirts from greasy oils and greasy balms and stuff that didn't absorb well and stuff that didn't do anything for the health of the beard. So they did a little bit of research, started working on that, and came up with their own blend of oils and created some scents that were masculine and could be for any occasion. They use only natural ingredients and prioritize in customer service. And lastly, what she told me was they are one of the only couple of beard companies that is women founded and owned. So props. All right, so a little bit of their pricing too. They sell a half-ounce beard oil for around $7 and up. A 1 ounce, they start at $13, and a 2 ounce bottle starts at $20. So really good pricing when you look at what it is. All right, so a little bit of backstory with me with the Groomed Goon. I actually won a bottle of beard oil through Instagram. Got that bottle in. I had plans to do a review on it, so I wasn't ready to use it yet. When it came time to use it, I opened it up and the smell wasn't there. I didn't have a smell. So I reached out to the company and I said, hey, look, I got this bottle of beard oil. By the time I went to use it, it had no scent. They got my address. They sent me not only a replacement bottle, but they also sent me 2 half-ounce bottles to try out. So what we got, this was actually the 2 ounce in the Gentleman. And then that was what I won and they replaced. And then what they sent me on top of it was Old West in a half-ounce bottle and Refreshing Rain in a half-ounce bottle. So I've been using these for, altogether, I've been using these for about 2 weeks, a little over 2 weeks. And so let's get into the review. Refreshing Rain, half-ounce bottle. Ingredients: argan, jojoba, castor, vitamin E, almond, grapeseed, essential oil blend for scent. And to me, this is a clean, fresh, it's a great scent. I'll go ahead and say for all these oils, they lasted in beard for 6 hours or longer. They're on the medium consistency side. They're not super thick, but yet they're not really thin either. They're right in the middle. They're really good consistency. All right, so according to their website, and the scent profile for Refreshing Rain is cool, clean, and invigorating to keep you fresh all day long. All right, so another thing about this company, their website is amazing. Their website is on point. They don't just sell beard products or beard oils, they sell a bunch of stuff. So make sure I'll put the website in the description below. I'll also put it right here so you can check that out and go check out their website. So Refreshing Rain, like I said, my wife loved this scent. It was amazing in beard and it lasted for a while. I got compliments on that one. The next one, Old West. This one, same ingredients, According to their website, it's a favorite with our customers. Light, sweetly, if I can talk, light, slightly sweet, masculine, and reminiscent of a simpler time. So this one, I get a little bit of, I get that sweet, I get a little bit of like a leather, and maybe a touch of like a musk, but more of the leather. To me, this is a really good scent. I got more compliments on this one when I wore it at work. People walked by and was like, "What? You got something new in your beard today? What is that?" So this one is definitely a keeper. Now, I do like these bottles. They are open top, but as thick as this oil is, it's not super thin, so it doesn't run out. It's really easy to get your desired amount using these half-ounce bottles. And then lastly is the Gentleman. Now this is their cologne scent, and according to their website, the Gentleman is a masculine undertones with notes of cedar and hints of leather. You're sure to be the most dapper smelling man in the room. Now their 2-ounce bottle comes with this squirt top, and their labels wrap around the bottle. Ingredients are the same as the other ones. And that is a cologne scented, actually, you know what? This is a cologne scented, just kind of a good manly scent, so we got to change things up. So for me to finish this review, so now let's talk about the Gentleman scent. All right, so this was my first cologne scented beard oil, and this is what it made me feel like when I put it on. This is amazing. This straight, not overpowering, not super strong, not something you're gonna run somebody out of a business meeting or an elevator or a car. This is amazing. This is it. It's great. Now, one thing about their oils, as she mentioned when she emailed me, was the absorption. They were tired of beard oils not absorbing, ruining shirts, that kind of thing. But I actually put one of these 3 in. I don't remember which one it was. And then about 45 minutes later, I was leaving to go to work. So I was like, I want this smell. It's so good. I want this smell to last. I took a little bit more, did the same amount that I put in the first time, and put it in again and headed to work. About 45 minutes later, and I'm not opposed to a little bit of greasiness when I touch my beard. I just try not to touch my beard. About 45 minutes later, maybe an hour later, I reached up and touched my beard and kind of straightened it up, and I had no residue on my hands whatsoever. Wasn't greasy, was not anything. It had all absorbed in. It's amazing. So they hit the nail on the head when it comes to something that will absorb in your beard and in your skin and not leave that greasy residue. So thumbs up for that. That's amazing. Actually, in these 3 scents, my wife loved all 3 scents. So that part, this is the first company that I've dealt with that my wife has actually loved everything that I've gotten from them. So 2 thumbs up for the Groomed Goon. If you haven't already, go check them out. They're on Instagram, they're on I think Facebook, and they have their own website. So I'll put all that in the description below. So the Gentleman scent is an awesome cologne scented manly scent. Refreshing Rain is a good clean, kind of like a fresh out the shower, just a good clean scent. And Old West is just an I get the leather, but it's kind of a little subtle cologne to it, but it's a really good scent. They're all 3 amazing. I would highly recommend any of these 3. Now, these are the only 3 that I've tried. I would recommend any of these 3 to anybody. So I will definitely, like I said, I'll put links in the description below for all of it. And definitely go check them out. Tell them the Bearded Outdoorsman sent you. They've actually got 12 scents that they have, including one is an unscented. So they've got something for every man. So go check them out and show them some love. And as always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.